can open, Jeff. Go on, open. Tighten up your sail, bro. Tighten up your sail. Woo! Yeah, guys. What a day. Today, you know? But they have a nice little something. Now just try to straighten up, Jeff. Huh? Straighten up your boat. We're going this way. Yeah, we're trying to hit at a 45 because today is a east breeze coming from that way. Kind of like an offshore breeze coming from that way. Yeah, see that there? Nice! Woo! 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 Huh? You don't worry about that. I know you don't do that though. You know you can do that? Yeah. If nobody there, you stay in there. Ah, there's Joseph. Joseph! Joseph! Fuck you, boy! Joseph a bitch. Yeah. Nice little breeze today, you know, Jeff. Nice little breeze today, bro.